Okay.
Hi, she owns the channel also.
So tell me about what it is.
So this is about, they're representing Indian culture in the olden days. Our grandparents in India, they used to take all these herbs like black pepper and then rock salt, poppy seeds, then mustard seeds, and then carom seeds. They used to grind them in this kind of mortar. This is a mortar. They used to have very big size mortars. And then they used to grind them until they will make fine powder. Fine powder. For example, take this red chili powder. And then they used to take red chilies. And then they used to grind them using this kind of things. They used to take this an example. They will do like this, and then they will make like a nice fine paste. It's like when you are doing like this, your hand pains a lot now, but they used to do like that every day. It's like a good exercise for them as well as very healthy. Instead of buying outside store-bought food, they used to make at home nicely, and then they will feed them like that. They will feed their then they used to feed very healthy items actually. So this is about higher taste book. In this book there are so many recipes out there, and then also nice points like what kind of food we have to eat, what kind of quantities you need to have while cooking, what kind of mood you need to have while cooking, like that. This book is very wonderful book. Everyone please read this book and then understand about Indian culture.
Thank you very much for being on my TV show. Thank you.
My name is Kalindi Preeti. I will tell you.
Thank you. You're a very good tour guide.
Okay, I'm checking this out.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, can you come to
Thank you very much.
remove your shoes? You can come up. Remove your shoes.
No, I don't want to come on.
Right.
I want to just... thank you very much.
Thank you.
Can you speak to her?
And so, could you tell me a little bit about what you're doing?
So yes, I am actually doing the Agnihotri Homa. It's used for the purification of the atmosphere, like 12 miles. Wherever Agnihotra is done, the 12 miles diameter, the entire environment actually gets purified, and it's for the good of all the people who live by, and then it's very good for the humanity.
Please have a
And
seat.
understand that's fine.
Yeah, do you want to sit down?
He's
Okay.
and understand why it will purify, because what contents he is using.
So I'm basically using the cow dung patties made of cow dung, and it's very purifying for like whenever somebody breathes that air, the smoke that comes out of the havan. So we call this as havan basically, or homam. It's very purifying, and it's very good for
And you
whoever
put
breathes it.
clarified ghee also in
We
it.
put clarified ghee as well.
And what are the other things you put in there?
That's it. We just use only those two, and then some rice.
Thank you
Raw
very
rice.
much.
Thank you.